Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to start using ShopSite for beginners in 2024. ShopSite is a powerful platform for building and managing your online store. Whether you are new to e-commerce or looking for a user-friendly solution, ShopSite has you covered. So let's explore the steps on how to get started with Shopify or shop sites, and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open that browser, basically go to this URL section and basically just type shop, then sites, and hit the enter button. Once you do so, make sure to go to the first link, which is ShopSite shopping cart software. Once you click on it, of course, you'll be taken to the home screen or main screen right away. If you don't know nothing about it, you can simply scroll down to read more information about it, like example, create a successful store, ShopSite's online store, building software helps create some search engine friendly sites without any coding knowledge, including adding social media integration with third-party tools such as WordPress blogs and contact email marketing. As you can see, you'll be able to create, market, and grow. As simple as that. So for create, you'll have a lot of themes that you can use. For, as you can see, market, you'll be able to use some SEO tools to help you get a better ranking on it. And for grow, as example, ShopSite grows with you. As example, from a free express store to a pro store, we have the products to fit your current and future needs. As you can see. So all you need to do is simply go and click on try it for free. And here you'll have to start filling up your informations. Of course, you can even try here to click on demo. As you can see, it's going to be the same. It will take you to the same page. So you can first of all try a demo before doing anything. As you can see, try ShopSite's online store demo. In 15 minutes, you can have a basic ShopSite store up and running. See how it's easy it is to add products and begin taking orders. With more time, you can even have your demo store looking as good as your live ShopSite store. I don't know why I keep saying Shopify. So for me, I'll have to give it a name. I'm going to just name it Omics, and email, as you can see, it will be used to send login information. So I'll just go and enter a valuable one so I can receive like some informations as an example about it. So example.com in here, click I'm not a robot, a motorcycle, it's going to be this one. I don't know, this should be included. Stairs, okay, just do this. Fire hydrants, just do this, and yeah. Okay, so and if you check this option, as you can see, this if you check it, you agree to share my email with ShopSite so I can be notified of information regarding my demo store. I also agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. So make sure to check it out after we read both terms of service and privacy policy. So make sure to read them as example. And you should be good to go. So then click on Get My Demo Store. Once you click on Get My Demo Store as example, they're creating your store. They will send you an email to your email provider so you can go to it. As an example, of course, they will not send you until this finished, so you'll have to wait. And as you can see, the online stores using ShopSite, as you can see, tens of thousands of online stores use Shopify, not Shopify, ShopSite shopping cart software to build their websites. Browse these live online stores using ShopSite, as an example. So you can go through a lot of websites here. As an example, yeah, I'll just go through those as an example. That's enough. As you can see, so all of those uses ShopSite as a software. All those, as an example, this mask, face mask like websites. So it seems like actually a good software to use to build websites. You can even embed some YouTube videos. You can do a lot of stuff, as you can see. So here you'll be able to see like informations about it and see everything. Of course, you can even explore all the features that comes with it. If you click on it, as you can see, depending on the plan that you choose. So you have the starter plan, manager plan, and even pro plan. So depending on the plan that you choose, you'll get all those features as you can see in here. So you can simply just go and see them all by your own, because I'm not going through them all. It will take some time. And as you can see, you can even go here and purchase. So you have 5 plans. You have the Express, Starter, Manager, Pro, and Enterprise. So the free, you'll get features such as send products, add order button, WordPress plugin, mobile friendly checkout, secure, and PCI certified. And you can simply go with Starter, Manager, Pro, Enterprise. So first of all, okay, so it's ready, as you can see. So the user is this, and password is this 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll just go and click on that. Store ID. it's this one. So evaluate 22. Evaluate example 22. Let me just check if I write this correctly. Yeah. And what about user ID? User ID is this. So it is this one. Yep. And password, it should be test1234. That's right. Yes, it is. Click on secure login. Here, I'll have access, as you can see, to both. This creates my store option and this add order buttons to my existing, as example, websites if you have one. So first you'll need to go and create a website. And then you'll have to go and add those buttons. So as example, this one, so you'll have to enter your informations here, all the informations, then keep click on next. Then you'll have to choose a design. For me, I'll just choose a random design here like this one. I'll click on use this theme. I don't see, I did not see it. Of course, make sure for you to see everything as intended or correctly. As example, homepage text is just optional. You don't have to enter it. And also the logo is just optional, but for me, I'll just enter a logo here. And of course, this is GPG. Okay. So they all did not all they need like a G. Okay, this is just GPG though. Why it's not accepting? I don't know. So I'll just let this as it is. I don't need to add it. I'll just go and click on next because it's just optional. Maybe the size is not as intended. So navigation menu, you can add some pages, as an example. Whatever page you want to, you'll have to give it a name. You can even delete some pages here if you didn't want to. And then you can click on next. You can here add multiple products that you want. Of course, you can click on add and you can add whatever products you want with the price, products image and everything. Then click on save changes. Then click on next. And here you'll be able to publish the changes. Once you click on publish the changes, you'll be able to view the site. Click on view the site. And as you can see, you'll be able to view this site right away as it is. So this is basically the front end of your websites, and you can simply have access to the back end and you'll be able to edit whatever you want on it. So as example here, you'll be able even to add some order buttons on your existing websites. Example, so you click on next, of course, your website URL blog example, and wait, I just forget it. So of course, this is like if you already like have a website. It's not like if you don't have one. If you don't have one, you'll have to simply go and create for us. We created one. And once basically you go through this demo and you check it out and everything is working as intended, then everything like good, you can simply just go and choose one of the plans that provided. Of course, you can simply just go and start with the free and keep working with the free, unless you want to go and upgrade your plan. You will be able to, as you can see here, you'll have to fill up your informations and click on create my store, and it should be created. It should be the same steps as you did here in the demo, so you don't have to go through it with you all the way. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.